I started college when I was 16, and I was also a reporter at the Daytona Beach News Journal. The professors at FIU are very involved in the communications industry, and they definitely have a more international look on it, and their network is just amazing. And if you ask them, they're more than willing to go out of their way to help you, always. My daily routine when I get in at work, I check HARO, which is Help a Reporter Out, and it's basically reporters who are looking for different sources, and I identify key reporters and I look at the different angles that they're looking at. I'm a junior account executive here at CCOM Group, a Hispanic marketing firm, and I specialize in the public relations and social media accounts. One of the projects that I do that I currently have a lot of fun in is blogger relations. I work with Johnson's Baby and I identify key mommy bloggers in the Hispanic market and work with them on developing stories for the Johnson's brand, work on sending them products for products review, and kind of also disseminating some of the news that we have. My dream job is to basically help different companies that have great stories and tell it to the whole wide world, whether it be online or in real life.
Be worlds ahead